UCE Biology Section A, 2008, Paper 1. Which one of the following sets of events occur in a person when feeling cold? A. Blood capillaries constrict, hair rises, and metabolic rate increases. B. Hair lowers, blood capillaries dilate, and metabolic rate decreases. C. Metabolic rate increases, blood capillaries dilate, and hair lowers. D. Metabolic rate decreases, blood capillaries constrict, and hair rises. The answer is A. Blood capillaries constrict, hair rises, and metabolic rate increases. Which one of the following word equations summarizes the process of fermentation? A. Glucose leads to ethanol, carbon dioxide, and water. B. Glucose leads to lactic acid, energy, and water. C. Glucose leads to ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy. D. Glucose leads to lactic acid, water, and carbon dioxide. The answer is C. Glucose leads to ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy. The type of roots labeled Y in Figure 1 are called A. Prop roots, B. Lateral roots, C. Collapsing roots, D. Adventitious roots. The answer is D. Adventitious roots. What are the chances of parents who are carriers of a gene for albinism producing an albino child? A. 25%, B. 50%, C. 75%, D. 100%. The answer is A. 25%. Which one of the following is the correct route taken by an impulse after it has left a relay neuron? A. Synapse, sensory neuron, effector. B. Sensory neuron, synapse, effector. C. Synapse, motor neuron, effector. D. Sensory neuron, motor neuron, effector. The answer is C. Synapse, motor neuron, effector. Which one of the following is a mode of feeding in a mold? A. Holozoic, B. Saprophytic, C. Autotrophic, D. Parasitic. The answer is B. Saprophytic. Which one of the following is a characteristic of sandy soils? A. High retention, B. High capillarity, C. Low drainage, D. high porosity? The answer is D, high porosity. Which one of the following plant organs has a scattered arrangement of vesicular bundles? A. Root of a monocotyledonous plant. B. Stem of a monocotyledonous plant. C. Stem of a dicotyledonous plant. D. Root of a dicotyledonous plant. The answer is B. Stem of a monocotyledonous plant. In the colonization of a bare rock, the next most likely group of plants after lichens are they? A. Grasses. B. Mosses. C. Shrubs. D. Trees. The answer is B. Mosses. Which one of the following includes all the possible blood groups that can be possessed by the children from a marriage between a mother heterozygous for blood group A and a father heterozygous for blood group B? A and B. B, B and O. C, A, B and O. D, A, B, B and O. The answer is D, A, B, B and O. Which one of the following is a correct route taken by carbon dioxide from the body cells of an insect to the atmosphere? A. Trachea, tracheals, spiracles. B. Spiracles, trachea, tracheals. C. Tracheals, trachea, spiracles. D. Spiracles, tracheals, trachea. The answer is C. Tracheals, trachea, spiracle. An experiment to find the proportion of air in soil, the following results were obtained. Volume of soil is equal to x cubic centimeters. Volume of water added to the soil equals to 200 cubic centimeters. Volume of soil plus water after stirring equals to y cubic centimeters. Which one of the following expressions gives the volume of air in the soil sample? A. Y minus x cubic centimeters. B. X plus 200 minus y cubic centimeters. C. Y minus 200 cubic centimeters. D. Y minus bracket x plus 200 close the bracket cubic centimeters. The answer is B. Bracket x plus 200 close the bracket minus y cubic centimeters. Which one of the following enzymes acts best at low pH? A. Pepsin. B. Peptidase. C. Trypsin. D. Lipase. The answer is A, pepsin. Figure 2 shows changes in lactic acid concentration in the blood during and after exercise. The correct explanation for what is occurring between point A and B is that A. Breathing rate has increased. B. Blood flow to the muscle has increased. C. Oxygen supply to the muscle is less than the demand. D. Oxygen supply to the muscle is in excess. The answer is C. Oxygen supply to the muscle is less than the demand. Which of the following are characteristics of insect-pollinated flowers? A. Feathery stigma, light pollen grains. B. Sticky stigma, heavy pollen grains. C. Light pollen grains, dull colored. D. Long filaments, much pollen. The answer is B. Sticky stigma, heavy grains. The part of a microscope used to make the image clear is the A. Objective lens. B. Eyepiece. C. Coarse adjustment. D. Fine adjustment. The answer is D. Fine adjustment. Which one of the following glands became most active when a person is frightened? A. Thyroid gland. B. Adrenal gland. C. Gonads. D. Pancreas. The answer is B. Adrenal gland. Figure 3 shows a joint in a mammalian skeleton. Which one of the following pairs consists of parts which reduce friction during movement in the joint? A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 3 and 4. The answer is D. 3 and 4. One of the following correctly describe population density, the number of organisms. A. In a specific area. B. Of a particular species in a specific area. C. Living either on land or water. D. One which can interbreed and produce viable offsprings. The answer is B. The number of organisms of a particular species in a specific area. Which one of the following is a form of sexual reproduction? A. Binary fission. B. Fragmentation. C. Conjugation. D. Spore formation. The answer is C. Conjugation. Figure 4 is an experimental setup to demonstrate photosynthesis. Gas X produced in the experiment is tested by the use of A. Littered splint, B. Lime water, C. Litmus paper, D. Sodium bicarbonate. The answer is A. Littered splint. Main function of buttress roots is to A. Provide additional support, B. Store food for the plant, C. Enable the plant clasp firmly onto others, D. Store water for the plant. The answer is A. Provide additional support. The bacteria which convert ammonia into nitrates are called A. Putrefying bacteria, B. Nitrifying bacteria, C. Denitrifying bacteria, D. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria. The answer is B. Nitrifying bacteria. Which one of the following is likely to occur if the osmotic pressure of the cell sap of the root hair is lower than that of the surrounding? A. Plant wilts, B. Cells of root hairs become tagged, C. Rate of transpiration, D. More water is absorbed. The answer is D. More water is absorbed. One of the following foods is rich in iron. A. Milk, B. Cheese, C. Liver, D. Butter. The answer is C. Liver. Which one of the following features would arthropods would be least important when constructing a identification key? A. Presence and absence of antennae, B. Number of body divisions, C. Number of jointed appendages, D. Body color. Answer is D. Body color. Which one of the following conditions would lead to the highest transpiration rate? A. High light intensity and low temperature, B. Low light intensity and high temperature, C. Low humidity and high temperatures, D. High humidity and low temperatures. The answer is C. Low humidity and high temperatures. Which one of the following parts of the kidney carries out the excretory function? A. Cortex, B. Pelvis, C. Medulla, D. Nephron. The answer is D, nephron. Which of the following events results into the formation of identical twins? A. One egg released, fertilized and splits into two. B. Two eggs released and each fertilized by a separate sperm. C. One egg released and fertilized by two sperms. D. One egg released, splits and fertilized by separate sperms. The answer is A. One egg released, fertilized and splits into two. Which one of the following diseases is not prevented by washing of hands and covering of food? A. Cholera. B. Typhoid. C. Tapeworm infection. D. Dysentery. The answer is C. Tapeworm infection. Hello friends, thank you for participating in UCE Biology. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.